Ingredients: for the idli batter, 2 cups idli rice, 1 cup urad dal, split black gram, salt to taste, water as needed. For the veg stuffing, 1 cup mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, beans, etc., finely chopped 1 small onion, finely chopped 1 green chili, finely chopped, optional, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, fresh coriander leaves, chopped for tempering, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, few curry leaves. Instructions: rinse the idli rice and urad dal separately, soak them in water for about 4-6 hours. Drain the water and grind the soaked urad dal to a smooth paste using a grinder or blender. Transfer it to a large mixing bowl. Grind the soaked rice to a slightly coarse consistency. Add it to the mixing bowl with the ground urad dal. Mix well to combine. Add salt to the batter and mix again. Cover the bowl and let the batter ferment in a warm place for 8-10 hours or overnight. Heat oil in a pan and add mustard seeds. Let them splutter. Then add cumin seeds and curry leaves. Add chopped onions and green chilies. If using, saute till the copyright until the onions turn translucent. Add the mixed vegetables and cook until they are tender. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Mix well and cook for a few more minutes. Turn off the heat and add fresh coriander leaves to the vegetable mixture. Mix everything together and let it cool. Grease the idli plates with oil. Pour a spoonful of the fermented idli batter into each mold, filling it halfway. Add a spoonful of the veg